Good morning. Myself, Pritam Babansad, roll number MB21049. My today's subject for presentation is materials management. The topic is material planning. Let's see the definition. What is material planning? Material planning is a specific way of determining the requirements starting with raw materials, consumables, spare parts, and all other materials that are required to meet the given production plan for a certain period. Material planning is derived from the overall organizational planning, and hence it is always a subplan of the board organizational plan. What it does is forecasting and initiating for procurement of materials. Factors affecting material planning. Macro factors. Global factors such as price trends, business cycles, government's import and export policies, etc. are called the macro factors. Credit policy of government is a critical factor as banks follows these guidelines only while extending financial support to a business entity. Micro factors. These are essentially the factors existing within the organization such as corporate policies on inventory, holding, production plan, investment, etc. For any organization, factors such as lead. Techniques of material planning. There are two techniques. First, bill of material exploitation. The planning for material management is aimed at determining the demand for the end products. This is possible only through the farsightedness or forecasting. Therefore, forecasting forms the basic for material planning. There are various techniques for forecasting. These techniques are specially applicable to demand forecasting. The techniques are moving average method, exponential smoothing, and time series. After determining forecast, the exercise of material planning starts. Requirement for various materials are ascertained for the demand forecast. For this purpose, the bill of material used through explosion chart. Therefore, the use of computer is very efficient for exploiting bill of material with demand forecast. The bill of material is prepared and issued by the planning or engineering department in a standard form. Second technique is past consumption analysis. For continuously needed materials and the materials where no bill of material is possible, this technique of analysis is adopted. The past consumption data is analyzed and projection for the future on the basis of the past experience and future need is made. To prepare such a projection, average or mean consumption and the standard deviation are taken as a basis and the guidelines for each item. There are also some advantages. It helps in maintaining minimum inventory level. With minimum inventory level, material planning also reduces associated cost. Material tracking becomes easy and ensures that economic order quantity is achieved for all lots order. Material planning smooths capacity utilization and allocates correct time to produce as per the demand forecast. There are also some limitations. Material planning is highly dependent on inputs it receives from the other system or department. If inputs information is not correct, then output for material planning will also be incorrect. Material planning requires maintenance of robust database with all informations pertain inventory record, production schedule, etc. Without which output again would be incorrect. Material planning system requires proper training for end users as to get maximum output of the system. Material resources planning system requires sustainable investment of time and capital. Thank you.